Okay, so this sewing machine keeps jumping hook time. So what I do is I open this up and let's get some light on that. Whoops. I'm going to take out the bobbin and the cover there. It's hard to do it one-handed. And this is the hook. So whenever you're sewing, it's supposed to hit where the point of that needle or the hook there is just above the eye of the needle, so it'll pick up the thread to make the stitch. I've already fixed it on this one, but before I fixed it, it was coming in to where it wasn't coming behind the needle until just below the hook, so it wasn't picking up the thread at all. So to do that on this machine, there is a plate on the bottom that I can take off. Makes it a lot easier. At first I was taking the whole case off and that gets a little scary, but let's see if I can get more light. Anyway, down here, let's see if I can point. Down in here is a set screw right there. Let's see if I can get a better picture. Right down in there is the set screws. I may have to reposition this a little better. We're looking at way in the back there, here, just at the very bottom in there. You still can't see it very well. Let's see where I have that is a set screw, and you just loosen it, and then that one controls this rod through here. That controls the shuttle race and the hook and all that. So when that's loose, you can turn this a little bit, and then when you get it to the point to where as you're running the needle up and down, it's coming in just above the eye, right there. Then you tighten the screw back and put everything back together. And let's see. So I'm going to raise the needle up and put this back on. And then set my sewing machine back up. And put the bobbin back in. Plug it back in. So need a little more light. See if I can thread this. Back out of the way for a minute. Thread it. It's a lot harder to do one-handed. Raise that back up. Now I should be able to pick up the bobbin thread. Oops. Getting that easily. And when the hook timing was off, that was not even picking up the bobbin thread at all. So that's good. So now, grab some scrap material to test on. We'll use this part here. And there we go. Make sure that's all the way up. And there it goes. Some nice even stitches. Looks like my tension might be off just a little bit. I can play with that a little more. And that's how I do the hook timing on this Kenmore.